In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video in InVideo AI using AI twins and consistent avatars. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your character and write prompts that keep your on-screen presenter looking and behaving the way you expect across multiple videos. First, log into your InVideo AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, choose the option to create a video. This is your project space, but before you type anything into the prompt box, pause for a moment. Click the AI Twins button. This is where you define the face and voice of your video so the system can stay consistent from one project to the next. You'll see two choices. You can create your own avatar, or you can pick a performer from the actor's library. If you want something quick with professional polish, the actor's library is a great place to start. Browse, preview, and select the actor that fits your topic and tone. If you prefer a custom presence that looks and sounds like you or your brand, choose to create your own avatar. You'll be asked to upload a video that is at least 60 seconds long and clearly grants permission for use. Record in good lighting, keep your face centered, and speak naturally so the system captures your expressions and voice quality accurately. Make sure the clip is long enough and explicitly includes your permission to generate an avatar. After the upload, give your character a name. Pick something short and distinctive because you will use this name in your prompts. This is the key to consistency. When you generate videos, start your prompt with the character's name. For example, Jordan in a modern office, warmly introducing a product overview. Beginning with the name tells the system which avatar to use, so you don't have to reselect it every time. From there, be descriptive about actions, setting, and mood, while keeping core features consistent in your text. If Jordan usually wears business casual and speaks in a confident, friendly tone, state that. Describe what Jordan does on camera, the environment, the lighting, and the pacing. For example, Jordan, business casual, standing beside a large display in a bright, minimal office, speaking confidently with a welcoming smile, using calm hand gestures, upbeat but professional mood. The more specific the scene, the better your results, as long as you don't contradict the avatar's established look and vibe. That's it. Log in, create a video, set up AI twins before you write, choose or create your avatar, name it, and always lead your prompts with that name while keeping your character's core traits consistent.